You are a little soul carrying around a corpse. What is death? A tragic mask. Turn it and examine it. See, it does not bite. People are not disturbed by things, but by the views they take of them. Another person will not hurt you without your cooperation. You are hurt the moment you believe yourself to be. The knowledge of what is mine and what is not mine, what I can and cannot do. I must die, but must I die bawling? Man, what are you talking about? Me in chains? You may fetter my leg, but my will, not even Zeus himself can overpower. If you want to improve, be content to be thought foolish and stupid. If you wish to be good, first believe that you are bad. Whoever then would be free, let him wish for nothing. Let him decline nothing, which depends on others. Else he must necessarily be a slave. If you choose, you are free. If you choose, you need blame no man, accuse no man. As for us, we behave like a herd of deer. Not death or pain is to be feared, but the fear of death or pain. Never say that I have taken it, only that I have given it back. For I am not eternity, but a human being, a part of the whole, as an hour is part of the day. Nothing great comes into being all at once, for that is not the case even with a bunch of grapes or a fig. Difficulty shows what men are. Therefore, when a difficulty falls upon you, remember that God, like a trainer of wrestlers, has matched you with a rough young man. Some things are in our control and others not. Demand not that things happen as you wish, but wish them to happen as they do, and you will go on well. We are at the mercy of whoever wields authority over the things we either desire or detest. If you would be free, then do not wish to have or avoid things that other people control. The condition and characteristic of an uninstructed person is this: he never expects from himself profit nor harm, but from externals. If you ever happen to turn your attention to externals for the pleasure of any one, be assured that you have ruined your scheme of life. You ought to realize you take up very little space in the world as a whole, your body, that is. In reason, however, you yield to no one, not even to the gods. It is possible to learn the will of nature from the things in which we do not differ from each other. To admonish is better than to reproach, for admonition is mild and friendly, but reproach is harsh and insulting. This is your business, to act well the given part, but to choose it belongs to another. If anyone tells you that a certain person speaks ill of you, do not make excuses about what is said of you, but answer, "He was ignorant of my other faults, else he would not have mentioned these alone." These reasonings do not cohere. I am richer than you, therefore I am better than you. I am more eloquent than you, therefore I am better than you. To accuse others for one's own misfortune is a sign of want of education. To accuse oneself shows that one's education has begun. To accuse neither oneself nor others shows that one's education is complete. First learn the meaning of what you say, and then speak. It is better to do wrong seldom, and to own it, and to act right for the most part, than seldom to admit that you have done wrong, and to do wrong often. When you do anything from a clear judgment that it ought to be done, never shrink from being seen to do it, even though the world should misunderstand it. What then? Is it not possible to be free from faults? It is not possible, but this is possible, to direct your efforts incessantly to being faultless. Wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants. Seek not the good in external things, seek it in yourselves. Fortify yourself with contentment, for this is an impregnable fortress. For where you find unrest, grief, fear, frustrated desire, failed aversion, jealousy and envy, happiness has no room for admittance. Remember that you must behave as at a banquet. Is anything brought round to you? Put out your hand and take a moderate share. In banquets, remember that you entertain two guests, body and soul, and whatever you shall have given to the body you soon eject, but what you shall have given to the soul you keep always. Those who are well constituted in the body endure both heat and cold, and so those who are well constituted in the soul endure both anger and grief, and excessive joy and the other effects. If a person gave your body to any stranger he met on his way, you would certainly be angry. He is a wise man who does not grieve for the things which he has not, but rejoices for those which he has. Nature hath given men one tongue but two ears, that we may hear from others twice as much as we speak. Let silence be your general rule, or say only what is necessary, and in few words. If they are wise, do not quarrel with them. If they are fools, ignore them. Here are thieves and robbers in tribunals, and they that are called tyrants, who deem that they have, after a fashion, power over us. You will do the greatest services to the state, if you shall raise not the roofs of the houses, but the souls of the citizens. We must not believe the many who say that only free people ought to be educated, but we should rather believe the philosophers who say that only the educated are free. First say to yourself what you would be, and then do what you have to do. Don't put your purpose in one place and expect to see progress made somewhere else.